Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, Pharma is currently having vacancies for their API Hyderabad unit. So coming to the details, they are looking for maintenance department, junior engineer. So you must have a B.Tech or Diploma with 2 to 3 years of experience. Coming to the job description, so must documentation and AutoCAD experience in maintenance. Only pharma experience is needed. So coming to the PD lab, research and development, trainee research scientist. So M.Sc organic chemistry, freshers candidates are eligible. So must have pharma experience. So if you are experienced candidate, computer knowledge, MS Office is sufficient. And coming to the next AR&D department, they are looking for senior associate to senior research associate, M.Sc with 2 to 7 years of experience. So you must have knowledge on LCMS, GCMS, HPLC, GC, wet analysis, and must have analytical R&D experience. So coming to the next department, which is regulatory affairs department, they are looking for up to executive. So you must have either B.Pharm or M.Pharm or M.Sc with minimum 2 years of experience. So liaising with regulatory bodies like state and central FDA, DCA, etc. Preparation of drug material file, preparation of applicant part and restricted part DMFs. Drug master files. Coming to R&D department, research associate to senior research associate, M.Sc organic chemistry with 2 years of experience, knowledge on API and R&D. And the final thing is production department and chemist or senior chemist, B.Sc chemistry. Freshers candidates are eligible for this job opening. So handling reactor, must have API production knowledge. So if you are interested, you can share your CVs to the careers cv@leepharma.com. These are the details, my dear friends. Subscribe to our channel for getting regular job updates. Thank you.